Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Maxima service engine light. First, locate the diagnostic port, which is typically found under the driver's side dashboard. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but be sure not to start the engine. This crucial step prepares your vehicle's system for the upcoming reset procedure. It's a straightforward initial action to get everything ready. Now, let's perform the reset using the accelerator pedal. Press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor 5 times, then release it completely. After releasing, wait for exactly 7 seconds. Then, press the accelerator pedal down fully again and hold it there for 10 seconds. This specific sequence sends the reset command to your vehicle's computer. Once you've completed the pedal sequence, you can confirm the reset. Start your Nissan Maxima's engine and observe the dashboard. The service engine light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains illuminated, don't worry. Simply turn off the engine and repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries. It's important to remember that resetting the light only clears the indicator. It doesn't fix the underlying problem. If the service engine light comes back on, it means there's still an issue that needs attention. Address any persistent problems promptly to avoid further damage. If you're unsure, consult a qualified mechanic for a proper diagnosis and repair. Your vehicle's health is important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.